Steady for you. And you have Troy. Good job. Now Troy has a very special way of taking a bow. Gotta get his right spot. And there he goes. He is such a ham. Keep going, a couple more. I love it. Oh, one more. Yeah.
Okay.
Get that speed up. Go. Okay.